Sentenced Zephen Xaver to death. Xaver pleaded guilty to executing 5 women at a bank in Sebring in 2019.
And this evening, 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser has details from court and reaction from the families of the women who were killed.
Well, just a short time ago, we heard from family members who spoke with us following the judge's ruling. Relatives of all 5 women killed had asked prosecutors to pursue the death penalty in this case, and that was the court's order today.
This court sentences the defendant to death.
It has been nearly 6 years since Zephen Xaver took the lives of Jessica Montague, Deborah Cook, Marisol Lopez, Cynthia Watson, and Anna Pignon Williams. Family members calling the sentence appropriate didn't mince words.
As I said in there, I would pull the switch if they would let me.
I feel like it's a verdict that all of us were expecting, and I personally never thought I would be supportive of a death penalty, but given the facts and the fact that this was a gruesome murder, I am in full support of it, and I am very happy with this decision.
On January 23, 2019, Xaver walked into the SunTrust Bank branch on US 27, forced the women inside to lock the doors and lie on the ground before killing them one by one.
One of the things I think about is not just Debbie, but all the women. As soon as the first shot was fired, they knew what was going to happen. And I can imagine the terror that they felt knowing when it's going to happen to them.
For the crime of the first-degree murder of Jessica Montague.
As Judge Angela Cowden sentenced Zephen Xaver to death, he showed no emotion. In June, a jury had recommended the death penalty by a vote of 9-3, an outcome which, under Florida's new law passed in 2023, is a sufficient majority to impose the death penalty.
And this sounds cold-hearted, but I think it'd be great to have a lottery to see who can actually pull the switch for someone in this situation.
I can close a chapter of my life. It will not close the grief and just how I feel about what happened, but I surely believe that I can move on with my life now.
Prosecutors had shown Xaver to be a cold, calculated killer who had planned a deadly attack like this for years. Today, the bank building is gone with a memorial park in its place dedicated to the 5 women he killed. In Sebring, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
Xaver's defense attorneys said that he was remorseful and that they had entered a letter of apology into the court record on his behalf. They also say they plan to appeal his sentence, questioning Florida's new death penalty law, which, by the way, no longer requires a unanimous decision from the jury.